Alright everyone, let's look at this question here. This question is on vectors, taken from the year 2008 NJC paper 1 question 5. Let's dive. I've never seen this question before. I'm just going to do it. Alright. So let's look at the first part. The point A and B relative origin is given by this, so it's okay. I'm just going to write the in column vectors first. The P lies on AB such as this, so that is okay. I think the first part is alright. First part is basically just ratio theorem. So I'm just going to write this down. A is equals to, okay, rather I write in terms of coordinates, that will be easier. So A is 1, 2 minus 2, and B is actually just minus 4, 5, 2, right? And then you're giving, draw it out. Don't leave it as like just like that. So P lies on AB, so I'm not sure where's A. I'm just going to draw A and B. So this is my A, this is my B over here, and AP is lambda, PB is 1. Okay, so this is not too bad. So this is P, this AP is lambda, this is 1 minus lambda. So that's not too bad. This is just ratio theorem. So you could just extend the line from to any other cases in the graph. So I'm just gonna add like 0 here. So just write OP is equals to cross multiply OA, 1 minus lambda OA, which is 1, 2 minus 2. This is a ratio theorem, so please make sure you know how to apply it. Divide by the addition of these two back ratio, which is 1. You don't really need to add it up. So you could get this as 1 minus lambda minus 4 lambda. Expand it, alright. And minus 2 plus 2 lambda plus 2 lambda. So this case here will get 1 minus 5 lambda, 2 plus 3 lambda, and minus 2 plus 4 lambda. That's okay, I think. Hopefully that's the answer. Oh, okay, that's the answer. Given that, there you go. Show that OP, so hence this is 1 minus 5 lambda. Shown. Okay, show. If they ask you to show, just show lah. Just show. This would be 1 minus 5 lambda I plus 2 plus 3 lambda J minus 2 plus 4 lambda K. That's about it. Okay, so once you do that, what do you do next? You do part 2. Given that C is a point with position vector this, so this is C, part 2 is a C. C is this point here, so you get OC equals to minus 5, 16 and minus 2, minus 5, 16 and minus 2, and the OP is lambda OC. This just means that P is on OC lah. Either is on or extended lah. It depends on whether lambda is big. So basically O, P, and C are collinear. Okay, so this is what I will register when I saw this question here. So once we get that, show that mu is 1 over 1/5. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. So show that, find the value of lambda. Okay, that's not too bad. So you're given that OP is equals to mu OC. So we just substitute in and hope for the best. So this would be minus 5, 16 minus 2, and OP will just be 1 minus 5 lambda, 2 plus 3 lambda, minus 2 plus 4 lambda. That's okay. What you need to do is basically just solve for the unknowns. Okay, so anyway, we get minus 2 plus 4 lambda equals to minus 2 mu, and this will be 2 plus 3 lambda equals to mu 16, and 1 minus 5 lambda equals to minus 5 mu. So I think the fastest way is just to do division. So you take 2 divided by 1 divided by 2, so this will be 2 plus 3 lambda over minus 2 plus 4 lambda, and this will be 16 divided by minus 2, so that's not too bad, minus 8. So 2 plus 3 lambda equals to minus 8 minus 2 plus 4 lambda. Okay, So just solve this lah. So this would be, I'll bring my calculator, 16, 32, let's see, what was it, 16, 16, so this will be 2, 16 minus 2, which is 14, 3 plus 32, which is 35. So lambda equals to 14. I hope that's the answer. And then mu equals to, show that mu is 1/5. Okay, so if mu is 1/5 means the answer is correct lah. Anyway, if I'm able to show it, so I'm gonna sub into this one here. Actually, it doesn't matter whichever I sub in, I also get a minus. Okay, so moment of truth. Oh yes, mu equals 1/5. Okay. Okay, there you go. Mu equals 1/5. That's how you solve for the first two parts. I think that's okay. 2/5, 14 over. Oh yeah, this could be expressed as 2/5. So lambda equals to 14 over 35, which is actually 2/5. That's too bad. Okay, let's look at the part 3. Part 3. Hence or otherwise determine the area of triangle OAP, leaving your answer incorrect to 3 decimal places. OAP. OAP. We're calling it as A. OP is not is it very difficult? If you want to find OAP, it's just half OA cross AP or OP lah. But we have all the coordinates, right? So it's not really an issue, right? Or did I mistype it? Hold on, let me check if I've mistyped this question. Okay. I don't think it's OAP. It's not difficult though. OAP just fine. Okay. Anyway, hence I only thought of the otherwise. I couldn't think of the hence 1/5. Lambda is 2/5. Okay, so means okay. 1/5, 2/5. Mu is 1/5. OP is equals to lambda mu OC. I'll just use the otherwise. I couldn't think of the hence now. But anyway, because I think it has to do with something with the collinear, so you're just gonna use area of OAP is equal to half OA cross OP. That's about it. So just use your calculator and calculate lah. So OA is actually just but let me think. OP is mu OC. So mu is actually 1/5. So means OC is OC is here. This is 1/5, but it doesn't make sense. Lambda. Oh, because you found lambda. Lambda is 2/5. So if this is 2/5, this would be 3/5 lah. Okay. So OAP, nothing interesting here. Yeah, anyway, I'll just do this. OA is 1 to 2 minus 2. 1, 2 minus 2. And OP would be, OP is actually just, what's OP? Well, OP just sub inside here lah. And solve for the OP. OP will just be, I'll just key in, right? Lambda is 2/5 times 2/5. So this is minus 1. Just key in here. So OP is actually equals to this value here. Just key in here. So 1 minus 5 lambda, 2 plus 3 lambda, and minus 2 plus 4 lambda. Okay, so when lambda equals to 2/5, just key in 2 16 over 5. That's okay. minus 2 plus 4 times 2/5. This minus 2/5, and this will be minus 1. So this is 16/5. If you do not want to deal with the 1/5, you just bring the 1/5 out. So 1, 2 times 1/5. This will be minus 5, 16, and minus 2. Then you just cross multiply. And cross multiplying this, I'll just do it. So it's just 1 over 10, 28, 16, 12 over 26. Let me check again. Okay, so this will be the answer, and hope we get the answer. Anyway, you want 3 dp, right? That's about it. So it's just 4.00499. I think this is quite a manageable question, not really a very unreachable question. So but anyway, keep your questions coming in. Any question or comments, please do text me. All right, Chayu for Ace lah.